Solution to treat my grapevines from. Put that back.
Can I help?
No, pumpkin. The solution to treat my grapevines from
Can I help?
vine borers. I'm using this stuff, Monterey BT,
What's,
and I'm pretty much
does
just
it
gonna
smell
inject
crazy?
this in all of.
It
the
doesn't
plant.
smell crazy.
No, it doesn't smell crazy, pumpkin. I'm gonna inject them into the plants to stop the grape vine borers from pretty much getting to them, and just make them simple like this. Take a cap full of this.
I feel it.
In one of the 3 containers I have, I use some of this. In another container, I take some bleach. This is basically to sterilize my syringes. Put one. And in another container, I have water to rinse my syringes. And I take some water from the hose and
kind of dilute them.
yep, dilute it all. This is my BT. This is my bleach. And this is just my can of regular water right here. And what I first do with my syringes, it's basically hypodermic needles. You can get them from Amazon. I take the bleach water
Can I help?
and pull it into the syringe a little bit. Just squirt it out.
Keep your hand. He's not gonna want you to touch
Squirt it out.
this.
And then I pretty
It's
much
sharp.
rinse it with the fresh water.
I want to help. Can I help?
It's not something that kids
And what I
can
do is fill it up with the BT.
Can
Syringe
I
like
help?
this,
Can
about
I help?
1.5 milliliters,
Can
and
I help?
like that. You cut it off because I'm gonna do the. Nah, okay. All right, so guys, I did this. I did 9 whole syringes because we have like a lot of plants. I learned that from watching doctors do a whole bunch of flu shots. So I'm gonna show you how this works. Because I have a whole lot of plants here, and it's hard to find the main stem. When the plants were small, I marked where the main stem was with this bamboo stick so I can see where it is. Yes. And I'm trying to find where, even with all that, it's still hard to find where these stems are. And as you can see, this is usually to treat for squash boards, but I want to show you guys something. You see this frass right here?
Hold on.
That means
Now. Sorry.
frass right here, this means a squash borer has gotten into the vine in this section, but this section will die out from the borer. However, this part of the plant, the main stem, has been treated with the BT, and you can see it's really healthy. Let me show you guys how I treat it. So I pull apart. All right. So right now, you can see this part has been attacked by the vine borer, but the main stem is healthy. And I'm gonna show you how I treat the main stem with the BT. So I take my handy syringe and I try to go along the long root of the stem so it really goes in. So I stick it in, and first thing I do is go back and forward a little bit just to give it some air. And I slug. I hate them things. Anywho, and I just inject. Now, injecting a plant is a lot harder than injecting an animal because the plant got some stuff in it. So when you just pull that plunger back and just inject it into the plant in different places, and you want to get all this stuff in there because what this stuff does is it kills the borers as they eat it. It's a type of bacteria that gets into their digestive system, and it stops them from digesting food, so they literally starve to death. And of course, as the plant gets bigger and healthier, it gets a little bit more resistance